Hello, welcome to my reality. This is the one and only zahirtajzahir, and this here is not really anything major. Just gonna review this app called Echo Lockscreen for your Android device. And I thought this Echo Lockscreen was a simple type of application that many can use, and it's really just a notification screen for your Android device. You can find it in the Play Store, and it's free to download, and you get to receive your notifications directly from your lock screen instead of having to go into the device and take a look at your applications or your notifications through the drop down. It does not take up any extra battery life. I found some other lock screens giving me trouble with battery life, but this one is an awesome application that doesn't affect the battery life. Now what happens is, if your device is off, of course it's going to light up the lock screen with when your new notification comes in. And what happens is you get to prioritize your notifications. So some notifications, it will light up the screen and some won't. As you can see, this one came through. It's a kite message, and it came through as a priority message. Priority notifications are the ones that would definitely light up every time. But once you go into it, you get to click on it, and you get to categorize it if you want it in another group. And I chose to put it in a social group. You also have the option to add it to a media group, work group, and of course priority. And once you classified it, it would always come up under that group, and you can just click on it and go in like I just did. The next thing is, for example, we have Wi-Fi that is not a priority, it's a other, which means the screen didn't light up for me, but I was able to go in and see what that is. And I really don't want for Wi-Fi to turn on my screen every time, because it's not an important notification for me, and at work it goes in and out of Wi-Fi. I just sent a new message to myself, and the new message doesn't come up under any particular category because it's a new type. And now I get to swipe right and choose which type of category it goes in, and you can see that it is prioritized and added into a new category, and all those types of messages will be in that category. And I have that as social media. Of course, you just click on it, go into it, and there's my email. I may have to recategorize that. But that's pretty much the gist of the application. I love it, and it runs pretty smooth. I haven't had any type of hiccups with it. I do want to show you that you have also on there, let me dismiss that, you also have on there the camera. You can pull it up as, right now I don't have camera as the default application, but you can choose camera as the default application, or you can hide some other app in there as the default application where you don't necessarily have to go in, and you can just swipe up and go straight to that app. I think I'm going to use Instagram for my default actually. Also, once you go in, you can go into the settings, which are pretty simple. Basically turn it on and off, and you get to change the lock screen. And what I want to do is change the lock screen. I prefer darker backgrounds to conserve energy with my device, so I tend to use a lot of dark backgrounds. And what I'm going to choose is this one right here, and it's already applied. Now I just turn it off, and then no, you don't have to restart it. Just turn it back on, and of course there we have it, the new background. And as you can see up here, what we have is the actual battery life, so you don't have to go in and find out the battery life, and you have the date and you have the time, and you slide to unlock, and that's pretty simple. Some of the features as I close out, of course, is it's minimal and lightweight, doesn't affect your battery life. Smart alerts, Echo only wakes your screen on priority messages. You get to organize your group, social media, and work. Actionable notifications, tap to open the app, swipe left to dismiss, and create reminders. If you miss a call at work, you can set a reminder for it as well. And thank you for this little short episode. This is one of my favorite Android apps, and we'll be back to our regular schedule vlogs on next Monday. Be sure to like, thumbs up, share, comment below. Let me know what you think of the app, and let me know if you're going to utilize this app. Also, let me know if you have this app and how this app is working for you. But I'm out of here. Peace.